Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcakes from a box mix. This easy method ensures delicious results every time, perfect for any occasion. First, gather your ingredients: 1 box of cake mix, 3 large eggs, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 cup of water. Also, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners. This simple preparation sets you up for baking success. Now, let's mix the batter. In a large bowl, combine the dry cake mix with 3 large eggs, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 cup of water. Using an electric mixer, beat these ingredients on low speed for about 30 seconds. Then, increase the speed to medium and continue beating for 2 full minutes. Remember to scrape down the sides of the bowl to ensure a smooth, lump-free batter. With your batter ready, it's time to fill the liners. Carefully spoon the batter into each paper liner, filling them approximately 2/3 full. This ensures they bake evenly and don't overflow. Place the muffin tin into your preheated oven and bake for 18 to 22 minutes. You'll know they're done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow them to cool in the pan for a few minutes. After their initial cool down in the pan, gently transfer your baked cupcakes to a wire rack. It's crucial to let them cool completely before you even think about frosting them. This prevents the frosting from melting. Once fully cooled, unleash your creativity. Frost them with your favorite store-bought or homemade frosting, and add sprinkles or other fun decorations for that perfect finishing touch. Enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make cupcakes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.